Hello guys and welcome back to another video. I'm Tim and today we are at the Intercontinental in Times Square, New York. And in this video we have a room tour of a King Premium View corner room. So as we come through we've been here 3 nights, so apologies, the bed has been slept in, but clean the room up for this video. So as you come in, New York, not the biggest rooms, but absolutely no problem. Enough space for what we need here. You can see a king bed here, very comfortable after a long day in walking around New York. It's a very, very soft bed, very nice to come back to, so very comfy. A couple of side lights there and big side tables. Opposite we have a desk you can sit at, work, eat, but that is the only space you have there to do either to work or eat. Next to it there is a table with your TV, your minibar, which is also in that cupboard down there. Empty drawers for your own personal use. And I'll just swing round. We do have a coffee machine that you can bring your own pods if you want to. Here's the minibar. All automated as normal, as most of them are these days, so if you take anything out, it will automatically trigger a charge, so do be careful. So as I said, opposite the bed you have a TV. Kind of a shame they put it there because it does completely block the view of New York when you're in bed. But for this particular room we are facing, as I said, it's a corner room, so one of the views we have is west, which looks out onto the Hudson River. I think it's the Hudson River this side. And obviously the streets below. We are on West 45th Street, I think this one is down here. And then we back onto 8th Avenue as well. So very, very well located. I'll show you the other side in a second because I've a little bit to talk about what's out there. But if I swing back round, there's a view from the other side. You have got a fair decent amount of space there for your luggage or anything you have to bring in. There's no luggage rack out, but there is one in the wardrobe, which I will show you. So coming around, you've got your wardrobe here. Top to bottom, you've got your iron up there, plenty of hangers, both normal hangers and dress hangers, your ironing board and your luggage rack down there, which you can take out, and a safe down the bottom. If you have any long dresses, just keep in mind you'll need to move the stuff out for it to freely fall. Okay, bathroom is next door. I'll do that in just a second. Here I come. Comes out from up there. Works very well. I have to say it's actually probably a little bit too good. It does keep you very dry at night. In the corner there you have a seat with a lamp, comfortable chair, nice place to sit and just look out of the view. So let me show you here. So this is the other view we have looking south. Premium view is Times Square. Now we are kind of facing the wrong way for Times Square, but being a corner we do still get this part of it, so no complaints really with the view, and to be honest it's a little bit quieter this side. We're on the 28th floor, room 2825, and you can see looking down, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but in the background you've got the One World Trade Center, so from all the way up here you can, on this side, get that in the view. If you were directly on 8th Avenue you wouldn't see that. Also down here, just next to Chick-fil-A, there is a subway entrance which takes you onto the Times Square station. You go down there, then you walk along, connects you to a lot of lines down there, so perfectly located. Times Square, by the way, is what's here, is right in front of you, but the main part is you just go down either this road or it's just I think 44th Street West or 45 on the other side. Any of these roads would lead you onto Times Square. Very, very well located. Takes only a couple of minutes to get there. And obviously any other view of any of the buildings in New York. So let's take you now through have a look at what we've got in the bathroom. Again, very nice, all very well appointed. Lovely big mirror. Plenty of towels down there. And there's also a hair dryer. Yes, hair dryer there. Single vanity, marble top. Oh, that's the wind blowing through, if you can hear it. These are the products. Wind. Got your toilet there, another nice big mirror there, and a very big shower with a rainfall and separate handle. And again, same products. Yeah, okay. No, very nice, very happy with this room. Okay, going back out the bathroom. Before I sign off, just wanted to say, I nearly forgot, this window does open. So we did find it's March now, or it's April now. Checked in March, checking out in April. Aircon, as I said, is very good, but it can be quite drying. Recommend you can open the window. That's a bit more, I say fresh air, but a bit more natural air in. Obviously it does get very noisy though, because all the traffic you can hear from down there, but at least you can open a window. Alright, so yeah, there we go. This is the Intercontinental Times Square. Very happy, I'll be honest, we didn't use any of the hotel facilities. We were given credit when we checked in, we haven't actually used it, we just haven't spent any time in the hotel itself other than sleeping and first thing in the morning. But you know, check-in was easy, a breeze. Absolutely would recommend this place. So yeah, Intercontinental Times Square in New York. Hope you've enjoyed this, hope you found it useful. If you have, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more room tour videos of anywhere we go. Don't forget to also check out our New York vlog from this trip. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye for now.